grade 4. Good morning. I hope you all are well and utilizing your time in learning and being good with their parents. Okay, we are in our science period, so let me welcome each one of you in this class. Okay, in our previous class, we just started our chapter 7, features of terrestrial plants, and we just learned about what are terrestrial plants, and even we already read different types or the division of plants on the basis of size. We already read about number 1 division of plants on the basis of size, herbs, in our previous class. So today we will continue reading another division of plants on the basis of their size, that is shrubs. Okay, look at here, I have written some of the points from your book. Please turn your book page number 68. There is our topic shrubs. So let's read about the shrubs. Okay, first of all, before reading all the features of shrubs, I just want to tell you some of the examples of shrubs, because if I tell you the examples of shrubs, these plants will reflect in your mind, which will help you to understand about the shrubs. Some of the examples of shrubs are rose, hibiscus, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, etc. Okay, now let's read about them, or what are the features shrubs have. Okay, now look at here. They are bushy plants. Bushy means ekdamai jhankiएको. They are little big, or they have the little more branches. Those plants which are little bigger in size than herbs, or you can say bushy भनेको चाहिँ अलिकति ठुलो साइज हुने, ब्रान्चेसहरु धेरै भएको कारण अलिकति झ्याङ्गिएको टाइपको प्लान्ट्सलाई we call bushy, and they are bigger and stronger than herbs. Here most of the points are compared with the herbs, so listen very carefully. Shrubs are little bigger than herbs. First, on the basis of the size, plants are categorized on herbs, shrubs, tree. Here we are reading the middle plants, that is shrubs. So here shrubs are compared with the herbs. Here bigger and stronger than herbs. Shrubs are always bigger and stronger than herbs, and they have many branches arising from the base. Agi मैले भनेको जस्तै the plants are bushy. They are called bushy plants because they have lots of branches and they look little bigger. They look bigger because of their branches, because most of the branches are arise from their base. सानो तर जरादेखि अलि माथिको बेसबाट नै त्यो ब्रान्चेसहरु अराइज हुन्छ, अनि तिनीहरु हेर्दाखेरि एकदमै ठुलो देख्छ. That's why they are called bushy plants, and they do not have single trunk like tree. अब ट्री को जस्तो एउटा trunk, it is the parts of the tree. They do not have the trunk like tree, and root goes deeper into the soil than herbs. As we read that herbs are so weak and they are so soft plants, their roots do not go much deeper in the soil, but in the case of shrubs, their root goes deeper into the soil, which makes them stronger than the herbs. And another one is they can survive more than a year. In herbs part, we just read that they survive within a season. एउटा सिजनमा मात्रै बाँच्छ भनेर हर्ब्सको बारेमा पढेको थियो, but shrubs can survive more than a year. एक वर्ष भन्दा ज्यादा पनि अथवा एक वर्षसम्म they can survive. Okay, this is all about these shrubs. Overally, we get to know that they are bigger and stronger than shrub. They are bushy and they have lots of branches arising from this base, and their root goes deep inside the soil, so they are stronger and they do not have a single trunk like a tree. And here again I want to say some of the examples of shrubs like rose, hibiscus, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, etc. This is all for today. We just learned about the shrub, which is another division of the plants on the basis of their size. In our another class, we will read the last division of the plants on the basis of their size, which is trees. So please go through your book, page number 68, and learn more about the shrub. Okay class, this is all for today. Thank you so much for joining the class. Stay at home, stay safe.